Make it more interesting.
How?
Coming up next, it's the amazing world of Gumball.
Are you gonna be in college forever?
Not forever. Close your eyes. I have a surprise.
This is a North Carolina Amber Alert for child abduction. The Scotland County Sheriff's Office is searching for Raul Johnson. Raul Johnson is a 4-year-old Indian male. He is 3 feet tall, weighing 38 pounds. He has slick black hair and brown eyes. Raul Johnson was last seen wearing a white short-sleeved shirt with tigers and tiger stripes, and white pants with rocket ship pattern. There's no information on an abductor. Raul Johnson was last seen on Phillips Drive near Christline Road in Laurinburg, North Carolina. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Scotland County Sheriff's Office immediately at 910-276-3385 or call 911. 4-star HP. This is an Amber Alert.